I got ODI long neck grips, flanges cut off, no flanges. Shadow metal bars. Shadow Voltus bars, 28 wide, 8.5 rise. A Shadow front load stem. An Eastern headset, integrated. Carbon fiber spacers. Got the nice silver Eastern sticker on the front tube. Have a race on the Eastern Hawkeye forks. 4 Shadow little one pegs. 2 front Raptor hub guards. Shadow Undertaker 2.225 front tire. Shadow Raptor hub. Shadow black spokes. Shadow stuns with custom stickers from Hardcore Sports.
Hardcore Sports.
The Eastern Journey frame 20.75 with a Verde seat post with a Shadow seat. Shadow Ravager pedals. Ravager sprocket. Shadow interlock chain. Shadow bottom bracket. Got 2 Shadow pegs on the back. A Primo drive side hub guard. Oh yeah, also I got Nomad cranks. Eastern Nomad cranks. I got a Shadow Raptor hub guard in the back. Shadow Raptor hub in the back. DK spokes, because I hate DK, I don't know why I have those. Shadow's out. Shadow stun custom sticker job on the rim, thanks to Hardcore. And another Shadow Undertaker tire. 2.225. Yeah, buddy.